Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you live from Atlanta. And guess what we have today? The world's first Robotaxi in Atlanta, Georgia? Well, not exactly, but we're having some fun here. We love the Robotaxi. It's been cool to see these things online, and today worked out great. We had a customer here getting their Cybertruck, getting wrap and wheels installed on it, and wonderful customer showed up in their brand new Model Y Juniper, and we said, wait a minute, let's convert that to a Robotaxi. Okay, it's just decals, but we're having fun. So we've got Robotaxi decals on the doors, we have them on the front fender, the back bumper. This customer's gonna cruise home and pretend like they've got the first Robotaxi. If you wanna have some fun too, check out the website. We can custom cut these any color you want. We've got them live right now. All right, everybody, stay tuned because hopefully we'll get a real Robotaxi soon enough and we'll be back on our channel with some updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, drop a comment below, let me know if you've seen a Robotaxi yet, and then subscribe to the channel. All right, everybody, thanks. But if you start looking online, you'll see them in the news soon enough. You'll be like, oh, I got that. Starting, like, we have 2 or 3 of them here. They're getting just now, just right now.
Should tell you we cracked the windshield like in the first week.
Yeah. I've saved good meeting you.
Yep.
Thanks again.
Thank you.